We're just 2 months away from CAT approximately, and if you're somebody who has not started to study for CAT, or if you've been thinking about it but you have delayed that, and now the question which you have in your head is that, hey, can I clear CAT if I start now? Well, this video is going to be on this topic because this is a question which a lot of aspirants have. पहली बात तो उनको यही समझ नहीं आती है कि अभी अगर शुरू करें तो क्या वो कर पाएंगे या नहीं, एंड सेकेंडली देन कि करना क्या है, दैट आई विल स्पीक इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो. बट दिस वीडियो इज primarily about whether you should, whether you will be able to crack or not. Hi, I'm Darpan Saxena, an MBA graduate from IIM Udaipur. I have been the MBA product head at Career Launcher, and I help MBA students create fulfilling careers without depending on placement. So I was watching a video by a fellow YouTuber. He was making a video. He had made a video on the 100 days plan. And उस video के नीचे comments में students or whoever they are, they had made some very weird statements that, hey, अब तो ये लोग how to crack CAT in 3 weeks, how to crack CAT in 3 days, in 3 hours, ये भी अब मतलब बताएंगे ये लोग. And I felt that, hey, there are people out there who think that no, CAT is a very long term game, 6 month, 8 month and 10 month, and ये 3 months and 2 months में जो strategy मतलब बताते हैं सिर्फ they are sharing it only for content, this and that. It's not like that. So while I say a lot of things about कि उसने गलत करा ये गलत करा, but I felt that yeah, this is wrong, because when somebody is trying to help you and you can genuinely be helped if you know that yes, there probably is a way you can crack CAT in 3 months, but then in this video I would also share with you that what are the circumstances in which you might not be able to crack it. वो सब है. पहली चीज, let me start off by explaining क्या देखो situation क्या है. Who are you who is watching this? You are right now somewhere 2 to 3 months away from CAT and you are thinking that hey, studying for this year's CAT is worth it or not, कि जी मैंने अब समय वेस्ट कर दिया है बहुत, अब इस साल CAT में देने में फायदा है या नहीं. एंड सवाल ये है that how much time is ideal for a 99 percentile, समय कितना मतलब सही रहता है for that and all of those things. See, my answer, I will directly get on to the answer, and also if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe, because not just this, in the next video I will be sharing that if yes, then how can you do all of that. My answer instantly is yes, that yes, if you're watching this right now in September, whenever in September, and if you're starting right now, you can clear CAT. However, there is one more thing which I'd like to say. It depends. Now you would say depends on what? I will explain that with a analogy, because तभी ये समझ आएगा आपको. It's a very simple thing. See, preparing for CAT is like preparing for a marathon. Simple सी बात. Which means that if you are asking that, hey, can I prepare for a marathon in 2 months? अगर आपके मन में कभी सवाल होता है कि मैं एक मैराथन रेस के लिए 2 months में प्रिपेयर कर सकता हूँ, आप खुद सोचो. उसका जवाब जो है, it depends on who you are and what is your level of fitness. Which means what? Which means that probably the answer is definitely yes, you can prepare for it, you can win it if you are somebody who runs every day. Then from there the answer is that yes, if you have ever ran before, थोड़ा बहुत आपने करा हुआ, you know what is the form, what is the technique to run, then you know that yes, you can. Also, yes, if you have not ran but you are generally fit and you are generally athletic, ये भी है. But no, अगर आपने जीवन में कभी you've not ran in your life, then probably 2 months might not be very much enough for you. And obviously, no, if you are overweight. So the point which I'm trying to drive home with this example, my dear friends, is that when you ask around that, hey, can I clear CAT, it is hinged upon who you are. What is your level of basics? Do you already know that you have a strength among VA, RC, QA and DI, LR? क्या आपको आइडिया है कि आपकी स्ट्रेंथ क्या है, आपकी क्वांट, आपकी मैथ कितनी ठीक थी, एंड what is the level of aspiration and ambition you have? All of these factors play a role. So in effect, the answer is yes, but it depends on a lot of things. However, one more thing which I'd like to say here is that, can I start preparing for it today, irrespective of who I am? Even if I'm somebody who is overweight, should I start preparing from aaj? The answer is yes, because eventually you have to start someday. If you don't start now, 1 week from now, you would think that, I wish I would have started ek hafte earlier, I would have been able to do something at least. The point is, if you don't get started, where will you go? So, should I start preparing for CAT even if it is 2 months away? Why not? Yes, please do it. And if you don't do well in this year's marathon, you always have the next one to go for it. However, eventually in the video, I'll help you understand that how you should not think about कि अरे यार अगर इस साल नहीं होना तो फिर चलो 1 साल और दे देंगे. That thought process is wrong. But what I'm trying to say to you is that you have to prepare for CAT at some point of time. Why not start for it right now itself? I would give you 2 examples of this. That why, even if it is 2 months, yes, you can still prepare for it, you can crack it. I'll give you one small example. So when I was in class 12th, I was appearing for all of these exams of engineering, AI, EEE and IIT JEE and all of those exams. Along with that, AI EEE के साथ एक exam होता था for architecture which was called NATA. So while I had filled the form for it, I had never really studied for it. मैंने कुछ भी नहीं पढ़ाई करी थी उसके लिए, because at my home the ambition was that okay, you will become an engineer. And I was like, yeah, sure, I will become an engineer. Now just 3 days before the exam, I was like, देख लेते हैं ये होता क्या है, इसमें होता क्या एग्जाम में. And then I just went online and I searched a few things about कि होता क्या इस एग्जाम के अंदर. अच्छा ये टाइप के क्वेश्चंस आते हैं, ये कर लूंगा, ये टाइप के आते हैं, ये कर लूंगा, ये कर. You would not believe it. You would be surprised that the rank which I got in my IIT JEEs and my AI EEE, उससे बेहतर रैंक मेरी नाटा में आ गई थी. Do you know why? Because NATA was more of an aptitude exam. NATA was more of an exam of design thinking ability, whereas IIT JEE and EEE were more of knowledge exams. How much do you know about math, physics and chemistry, all of that. This is exactly what CAT is. A CAT is somewhat like a NATA because both of these exams are more aptitude based. They are more about how can you apply the concept you know. Therefore, my dear friends, I cracked NATA in 3 days. So if I were to give it in one statement, I would say that yeah, I cracked it in 3 days. It is possible. It can happen provided who you are. Because my design thinking ability was strong since my childhood, my schooling, इसलिए भी I was able to clear it. अगर नहीं थी आपकी वो नहीं होता आपसे. That's that. Second example, much more closer to you. In my first attempt of CAT, I scored a 84 percentile. Okay, 84 percentile, and this was my first attempt. And see, you know, if somebody is scoring a 84 percentile, if you are a GEM candidate, which I am, first of all, you know that you are not going anywhere. उस साल आपका कहीं एडमिशन नहीं हो रहा. फर्स्ट चीज. सेकंड चीज, if somebody is scoring 84, you know कि उसके बेसिक्स भी बहुत ज्यादा स्ट्रॉन्ग नहीं है. थोड़े बहुत ठीक है आते होंगे, बट बेसिक्स में भी प्रॉब्लम है, तभी वो 90s भी क्रॉस नहीं करा. दैट वाज मी. जस्ट 4 weeks आफ्टर कैट इन दैट ईयर वाज ZAT, एंड आई न्यू कि यार कैट में अगर 84 है तो ZAT में तो क्या ही होगा, बिकॉज ZAT इज अ मच मोर डिफिकल्ट एग्जाम. कौन ज्यादा ये होती है, ऐसा सब होता है. बट आई वेंट इनटू ZAT विद अ वेरी क्लियर माइंड दैट यार ओके, I had already assumed that यार ZAT will not happen for me. It's okay. I will have to reappear for all of these exams again. It's okay. I went into ZAT with a very chilled out mindset, and yes, I had studied a bit in these last 4 weeks itself. You would not believe it. In ZAT, from an 84 percentile in CAT, I went on to score a 98.3 percentile in ZAT. I got a call from XLRI in that year in my first attempt. My point which I'm trying to drive home is that now if I were to give it in one statement, so hey, I would say that hey, I cracked ZAT in 4 weeks. Can you? Yes, you can. I did it. So please do not fall for people who want to troll that अब ये लोग 3 दिन में कैसे करना है क्रैक, ये भी मतलब सिखाएंगे कैसे करना है. अरे सिखा सकते हैं ना. If suppose you are an IITian, or even if you are not an IITian, you are somebody who's good, who is sharp, who has studied well all through your schooling, you have done well, you are right now at a DU or somewhere else, you are bright, you have the brains. अगर तुम्हें किसी ने ठीक से लास्ट 8 हफ्ते में हेल्प कर दिया, अगर तुम क्रैक कर गए, या फिर एटलीस्ट फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट में, if you get the confidence of getting a 90 percentile, next attempt में you will crack it like anything. That is that. Having said that, I will make some closing arguments which are very important. Before that, I would urge you again, do not forget to subscribe to the channel, because in the next video now I will be sharing that if you're starting off now, what should be your study plan. That is going to be important. Do not forget to like the video so that you can see more of my videos in your feed. That will help you. That's that. Moving on from there, here is what you need to know. See, 4 things, and that is what it is. First thing is very simple, that the time required for prep from scratch. If you've seen any other video of mine, I have shared the same thing. You know this number already. It is predominantly 400 hours. This 400 hours includes everybody. Somebody who's not so smart, not so sharp, this and that, वो भी 400 hours में बहुत respectable score लेके आ जाएंगे. That is that. So if you're smarter, this could be much lower than 400 hours. This 400 hours including everything from learning to mock test to analysis. You should watch my video on the timetable for CAT and you'll know what exactly is the calculation behind the 400 hours. I am not just saying 400 hours ऐसे ही हवा में बोल दे कि जी 400 घंटे पढ़ लियो बेटा, तू 400 पढ़ लियो और ये देख, ऐसे नहीं कर रहा हूँ. It's a calculation I've shown in that video. Watch that if you are serious about it. Second thing, join my Telegram group. You will find the link down there, because in that group there are students like you and me inspiring each other. That is important. You will find a lot of help. You will find find me. I reply to all of the queries with voice notes and answers and in-depth answers, so that is something which will help you. Moving on from there, the second thing which you need to know, my dear friends, is that you have to have a deadline for yourself. You need to walk into this year's CAT with this mindset of that, hey, this is my last attempt. That is the only way you will give it your everything. That is what you need to do. So if you are under this impression कि यार 2 महीने बचे हैं इस साल का, CAT लिखें कि ना लिखें, नेक्स्ट ईयर का लिखेंगे अब सीधा यार, इस साल नहीं फंस जाओगे, नेक्स्ट ईयर भी नहीं करोगे, नेक्स्ट ईयर भी you will delay it. The idea is this year should be your last attempt. Ideally there is no time. Time is money. You cannot keep on wasting it. Secondly, if you are at the opposite end कि यार लिखना ही नहीं इस साल का because यार next year देंगे अब this thing straight, no, you need to attempt CAT this year. I'll be explaining that in the point number 4. But point number 3 is that कि भाई अगर reappear भी करते हो इस साल का तो CAT दे ही दो, but even if you have to attempt it another year, it's okay ना, it helps you also. It helps you because you get more marks for your work experience. You should work somewhere, more work experience to talk about in your MBA admission interviews, and obviously when you have work experience you can understand concepts well in the classroom as well. तो वो भी advantage है, but you should not go by that only. The idea is that please appear for this year's CAT, and that is why I have put a star mark on this, because even if you don't think that you are there, you should appear for it, because this will give you an actual exam experience which is invaluable. तुम इस साल अगर 85 percentile भी लाओ, 90 भी लाओ, तो that will set the platform for you to score a amazing 99.9 percentile in the next year. For all you know, you'll score it this year in itself, because as I shared in my ZAT का example, when I had no hope from myself, यार 84 तो मैं CAT में लाऊं, ZAT में लाऊंगा नंबर की नहीं लाऊंगा, जब बिल्कुल होप नहीं थी, इतना चिल माइंडसेट के साथ गया, that was the year when I cracked. That was the year when I got that score. My dear friends, it's okay. Attempt this year's CAT. Please fill the CAT form. Do not wait for it. Wait for my next video in which I'll be sharing with you how do you do it. Also, do not forget to enroll for my program called How to Be School, because this program is truly going to help you really learn that what all are the things which you need to start preparing from right now to unlock the full potential of your MBA journey. I talk about academics. How do you do well in your academics, in your extracurricular activities, in your summer placements, final placements, love, romance, everything at the B School. Enroll for it because this has a lot of interesting things inside it. You can watch the entire course once you are enrolled. My dear friends, this was my attempt to help you understand your journey. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks a lot. Goodbye.